As you saw before, as the water boiled, it created steam, right? And after we boiled it for a while, the amount of water was less. So, did we destroy mass? Did we somehow get rid of some of those particles? If so, what happened to them? If not, where did they go? All right. Obviously, we didn't destroy any mass. It probably just turned into steam and then evaporated off, right? So it's not that the matter was destroyed, it's that it just changed forms and went somewhere else, right? We see this in lots of other places. For example, you'll see it anytime you make a bonfire, right? Over here, we've got lots of nice wood. It's got mass, it has weight, it's made of lots of stuff, right? We throw it in the fire and it burns. And you'll notice it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And by the end of the night, you're left with a very small pile of ash. So, how can a giant pile of wood that probably weighs a couple hundred pounds turn into a pile of ash that only weighs a couple pounds? Well, the answer is that the matter was not destroyed, the mass was not destroyed, it simply changed form, right? All that smoke that came off the fire was carbon dioxide. So all those gases that used to be in the wood and the water that used to be in the wood evaporated away and went up into the atmosphere, and we were just left with the pure carbon, right? Just the mass, just the stuff of the wood without all the gases and the water and the other things that it was made of. Okay, this is called the law of conservation of mass. This law states, and this is number 11 in your notebook, your last note. This law states that matter cannot be created or destroyed, right? You cannot destroy matter or mass or the stuff, those particles that that matter is made of, right? You can only change its form and or move it to another place, right? So in the case of the water, we didn't destroy the matter, we didn't make it disappear. All we did was change its form from water to water vapor, from a liquid to a gas, and then that gas floated off into the room, into the atmosphere, right? So we didn't destroy the mass. All we did was change its form and send it off to a different place.